What do you need help with? Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, it is day 7 of March 2018 Box Week. Yes, you are catching us on the 7th day of Box Week. If you're brand new to my channel, you're like, what's the deal here? Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome. Box Week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week every single month that me and my subscribers actually spend 7 consecutive days together. This month, we're actually going to have more days because I actually got more boxes. So it's going to end up being around 9 or 10 days. You're catching us on day 7. And if I don't receive the other boxes that I'm waiting for in time, then we'll stop here and then I'll film the additional ones later. But hopefully we can get a whole streak of like 9 to 10 days of like hanging out together. And if you're not in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. We are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so today is like the cult favorite of the Just Like Drew crew for Box Week. And if you don't know what I'm talking about it is our face mask and chill unboxing. Every month we do a face mask together kind of to promote a little bit of self-love, self-care, and also like healthy skin. And while we do that, we'll be unboxing, I like set it to the side, I can't get it, Facetory, which is a monthly subscription box for Korean beauty face masks. And I'm actually going to start putting on my face mask now. I'm doing the face mask, I believe we got this in the Ipsy this month, and nothing is like zooming for me this month. The Gold Fade In MD Facial Detox Clarify and Clear Mask. This is a mask that is apparently like supposed to be 10 to 15 minutes left on, which will be perfect. Oh my god, I can't get it. I can't get the little seal off. I should have done this beforehand. This is my bad. I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this and then it'll be totally fine. Oh my god. Ugh, sorry, that was kind of gross. Oh well, I already did it. All right, so I'm gonna put this on. I washed my face beforehand. It's kind of a nice light minty green color. Ooh, it kind of, ooh, it's a little stinky. It's a little funky, I won't lie to you. Not what I expected smell-wise. It's very like robust and like earthy. I don't know, like it's kind of like intense, like minty, and then it also has like this earthy kind of like vegetable-y, I don't know, it's kind of weird, but I don't hate it. It's gonna make me feel woke, I'll tell you that much. I'm feeling awake right now. Oh, who's coming in here? Hi, babe. Oh, that was that was my 4-year-old. She wanted to come and say hi, I guess, and then she just decided to peace out. I'm not sure. She's a little mad at me right now for something. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but she's a little bit upset with me at the moment. So she's hanging out with Grandpa and Grandpa while I do this because she's just not happy with me at the moment. All right, so my face mask is on. As I was saying, Facetory is a monthly subscription box. There is basically a couple options. There's either the 4-pack of more basic Korean beauty masks, which comes out to be about $10 a month. With tax and shipping. Otherwise, I do the 7 luxury beauty masks every month, and that's this box here, and this ends up being about $20 a month with tax and shipping. Just a reminder, we are filling up a box over the last couple months with items I've been getting from my subscription boxes, and we are doing a stockpile giveaway box. And I actually want to let you guys know I'm adding 2 face masks into it that I got at TJ Maxx that I like. This is actually a red wine face mask, and this one is a vanilla and coconut face mask, so these are going into our giveaway box. And now I'm going to bust out my handy dandy Mr. John Wayne here and cut the seal on this box and get to the unboxing portion. All right, so in the top it says, let's get lucky. It's your lucky day. Scratch to see what you've won. Oh, so they have like a little scratch off on here to see if you won a prize. Okay, I don't have a coin or anything. Shoot, I'm gonna try and use my nail. Nope, it's not working. Dang it! All right, I'm gonna have to come back at the end and like after I wash this off, and I'll bring a quarter and open that. All right, it's got a nice green tissue paper, and something I always like to let you guys know that I like about Facetory is they're packaged really, really well. It's always a really nicely themed box. I'm assuming this is going to be more of a spring themed box, and they always give you a card on the top that tells you about the mask, because something to know is that a lot of these masks are actually written like in Korean, so you can't actually like read what they do, but they always give you instructions on how to use them and all that kind of stuff. So on the top here we have a water bomb jelly mask for pore care, and it says pore care mask with jelly essence controls the moisture and refines your pores from Berry Som. That looks really, really nice. I also like that it's really like pow and exciting. The next thing we have, oh, this is another pore care mask. So clearly you're focusing on pores this month. Hi, how's it going? Do you want to come in and unbox with me? All right, close the door. Come unbox with me. Alrighty, come on in. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, I gotta move this over so you can get on my lap and help me unbox. All right, come sit down on my lap. Come on, come and join us.
Unboxing.
Okay, we're doing an unboxing. So we're looking at face masks today, okay? Can you hold the box for me? All right, hold the box. Alrighty, so this is our next one. This is Oka. It is Buckle Up the Pore Sheet Mask. Say Pore Sheet.
Pore Sheet.
Okay, so we have two there. All right, this is our next one. Ooh, this is a white gold glow mask, 24 karat gold with Yuja Vita C whitening function from Freon Vita. All right, so this is a whitening and brightening facial mask. So these masks are really nice on days where you wake up and your skin's looking really dull, especially when you live somewhere like I live. I live in Wisconsin and the climate is constantly changing. So that's a really good mask to have on days where it's like the weather's just kind of shifted back and forth and you're like, I don't know what to do. A mask like that is awesome. All right, next up we have, you like that mask? All right, this one is green tea with hyaluronic essence. Can you say hyaluronic?
Hyaluronic.
Wow, good job. Say hyaluronic.
Hyaluronic.
Hyaluronic. Say hyaluronic.
Hyaluronic.
All right, this has hyaluronic with green tea essence. All right, so this one, it has 8 type of ingredients, the soft texture, precise application. Looks like this one is a hydrating, soothing, and refining. I love getting masks like this. Do you know why I love getting masks like this?
Yeah.
Why?
I guess you like those.
Okay, but I like these ones especially because when mommy waxes her face and does her eyebrows and like her upper lip, it's a really nice way to make my skin feel, can you say, oh, look at you. You're so cute. I'm glad you joined me. Surprise in here. All right, the next one we have is AC Calming System. Another calming mask. Ooh, I like that they're doing this. This looks like AC. I'm guessing, okay, skin soothing system for clearer and brighter skin. So this one's helping to clear your skin and like make it calmer. All right, next we have Beltune Dulcorum Aroma Eucalyptus Mask with real eucalyptus oil. All right, so I don't know what this one does. Can you hold this one up while I look at the sheet? Hold this one up. Okay. I'm going to look at the sheet and see what this one does. Smell the aroma of eucalyptus as you take in all the goodness of this multi-beneficial sheet mask. Uses eucalyptus leaf oils traditionally used in Australia to make your skin feel like nature is right at your door. Skin restoring, moisturizing. So it's kind of a more like restoring, all-inclusive mask, and it's also supposed to make you feel like you're outside. I don't know how I feel about that. Hold it up so they can see it one more time. Nice. All right, and the last one that we got in here is Fresh Vita 2-Step Hydrating Mask. Look at this one. Ooh, it looks like a smoothie. Oh, doesn't that look good? So the cool thing that I like about the multi-step mask, and that's another thing you have to know about when you get the 7 luxury masks, is that they include masks like that. They don't include usually multi-step masks with the 4 basic masks. So that's another thing that you're getting as well. So all right, put this back in here. All right, awesome. So that's all the masks I got in the box. What I'm gonna do now is finish letting this face mask sit on my skin. I'm gonna come back, wash it off, recap the box, and we'll see what I won on the scratch off card, okay? We'll be back. Say see you in a minute.
See you in a minute.
All right, we are back. All right, I washed my face off. I actually really like the way that my skin looks after that face mask. What do you think of mommy's skin? Do you think it looks good?
Yeah, it looks good.
Okay, I have a quarter, and we are going to scratch off to see what we won. It looks like if you get this symbol, you get 20% off, and if you get this symbol, you get like a month free. So hopefully we get to go in. Can you help me scratch it off? Can you help mommy? Can you help mommy scratch it? See what we got? Help me scratch it. It's not coming off. Why is this my life? Like I even got, okay, hold on. I gotta set it on my open knee here so I can try and scratch this off to see what we got. What did we get? I think we got Stay Glowing. We got Stay Glowing, so we get 20% off next month on Facetory. So that's exciting.
Mommy.
What's up, honey?
I got a video to do.
Oh, you have a video to do? Okay, well, can we finish this one and then you can do your video?
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. Is your video going on YouTube or is it just a video for fun?
I did my video after yours.
Oh, okay. So we're going to recap this box really quickly. So we got the Fresh Vita, the 2-step mask. It looks like it's kind of like a face smoothie mask, which looks really yummy. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
I'm covering your face. All right, we got the Belt Tune Real Eucalyptus Oil Mask. We got the green tea and hyaluronic essence. Say hyaluronic.
Hyaluronic.
Wow, you're doing really good with that. You're doing better than I ever did. 24 karat gold Yuja Vita C Perfect Skin Adhesion White Gold Glowing Mask, a whitening mask.
I like that mask.
I like that one too because it's got gold. Say gold.
Gold.
Oh my goodness. And we got the Oka Buckle Up the Pore Sheet Mask with the lady going like, can you do that? Can you go? That one's fun. And then we also got the Water Bomb Jelly Mask for pore care. And we got this one, which is the Calming System Mask, which this one's like more of a calming style mask, which I'm really excited about that one as well. Is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? All right, we'll get it at the end. It's okay. And just a reminder at the beginning, I put in 2 face masks into our giveaway box, which is filling up. We're going to be doing a giveaway soon. Say giveaway. Say giveaway.
Giveaway.
Wow. I want you to be like, giveaway. Say giveaway.
Giveaway.
Awesome. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way it is down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family. Say subscribe. Because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me or Ellie, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and we will see you in the next video. All right, talk to you so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. 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 I actually like that this box has like different kind of like design on it than the normal, like just like the white basic Target beauty box. I don't know, made it feel a little more special, and I was like, okay, that's why I was trying to ship. Go for it.
Hi guys. So on this one below, on this one, I like this one below. This below is gonna be great. Meet my friend Jill.
I'm your friend Drew. Hi.
So, wait. So this one is having a coin here. A little help here.
What do you need help with?
I need a coin for something.
Oh, the coin that we had? Okay, let me find it. I'm sorry, I put it away. Let me get it out. That was from my video. You need a coin for your video too?
Yeah.
That's crazy. We both needed coins today? Wow. Here you go. Here's the coin.
Okay. If you play past the puzzle of the coin, you can't do that. That will be serious.
All right. Is that all you had for your video?
That's not it.
Okay, what else?
So, if you have a coin or a penny or a dollar, you can spend money.
Oh, do you have any money?
I got a coin.
Wait a minute. No, this is not even your coin.
So if you have a coin, you need to buy something.
Okay.
So have this. All right. So this is one more ascending effect on the bow tie. I think on this.
All right. Is that it?
Not yet.
All right. Finish up your video. Say your goodbyes.
Goodbyes on this one. Have a good one. So goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye. Say bye. 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 Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye to my friend Drew.
Bye. I love you.